Good day viewers, let's discuss tips for negotiating lower interest rates on mortgages and refinancing today. Negotiating lower interest rates on mortgages and refinancing can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Here are some tips to help you negotiate better terms. 1. Improve your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining the interest rate you qualify for. Before applying for a mortgage or refinancing, work on improving your credit score by paying bills on time, reducing credit card balances, and addressing any errors on your credit report. 2. Shop around. Don't settle for the first mortgage or refinancing offer you receive. Shop around and compare rates and terms from multiple lenders to find the best deal. Consider online lenders, credit unions, banks, and mortgage brokers to explore a wide range of options. 3. Gather documentation. Prepare all necessary documentation, including income verification, employment history, tax returns, and asset statements, before applying for a mortgage or refinancing. Having your paperwork in order can streamline the process and demonstrate your creditworthiness to lenders. 4. Consider your debt-to-income ratio. Lenders assess your debt-to-income (DTI) ratio when determining your eligibility for a mortgage or refinancing. Lowering your DTI by paying off debts or increasing your income can improve your chances of qualifying for a lower interest rate. 5. Negotiate points. Consider paying discount points up front to lower your interest rate. Each point typically costs 1% of the loan amount and can lower your interest rate by a fraction of a percentage point. Calculate whether paying points make financial sense based on your long-term plans and how long you plan to stay in the home. By following these tips and being proactive in negotiating lower interest rates on mortgages and refinancing, you can save money and potentially lower your monthly payments, reducing the overall cost of homeownership.